Aditya, where are we?
In Dubai.
We have made it to Dubai.
What's up?
Next 1 million. Yo fam, good morning, what's up, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's the next day. I have still not slept. This is becoming like a daily vlog. I literally left the last vlog like 3 hours ago, edited it, uploaded it because it needs to go live today, and I'm starting to film the other vlog. Right now I'm waiting for Aditya and mom to come down because we have to leave for the airport because we need to
not miss our flight this time because of
last flight. You watch the last vlog. If you haven't watched the last vlog, click up here somewhere and go watch it. I'm just so tired right now because I've not slept at all. I've been awake for over 24 hours now, plus it's gonna take us 12 more hours to completely like get to Dubai. Immigration, visa, on arrival, everything. It's gonna be a long day, but it's gonna be a fun day. I think the energy for the vlog will kind of keep me awake. There's this cutie husky in my building. Hi Bella. Hi. See, that's the vlog. See Bella there. That's the vlog. Say hi to the Agasthya.
Hello there.
guys. Bella said hi to the vlog.
Aditya, okay, 1 sec. My bag is there. I left without it. Okay, took my bag and they are leaving without me. Please wait for me, mother.
I would like to go to Dubai. Finally, my first flight got cancelled. I would like to make it on the second flight.
Okay guys, so I'm going to be honest with you, something really cool just happened. So I'm at the airport right now and I need to get a rapid test also done. Somebody over here who recognized me, she's part of the AG fam, and she's, I think, somebody who does the rapid test. Like, this is the part where I'm like, damn bro, it's
Cool to be like a little famous.
She said that when I come to get the test, she'll like bump me up to the priority list and get my test done fast. The AG fam has each other's backs. Like, you guys are literally helping me. Dude, I love this. She was like, you come, I'll put you to the priority list. I'm like, yes. The AG fam has each other's backs. Is the dude properly? He'll place my bag. Please, strong boy, place my bag. Wow, man, show me those guns. My God.
You're flexing also.
It's over. You're gonna need to throw your clothes out. Aditya's making it so visible what we're doing. Everybody is literally staring. Yeah, allowed hoga? The Red Bull's not allowed. Here, chug it. We just Burger King. So we just finished immigration and security check, and now we are gonna find some food to eat. We've been at the airport since 9 AM
And previous night also.
It's been horrible. We've not eaten anything. I don't know about you, but our boarding number is my favorite number. Guys, I don't think this is a coincidence. I don't think that is a coincidence. That is my favorite number right there. Guys, did I choose this particular aircraft, this particular airline just because I knew the gate is gonna come at 69? Yes, I did that. Thank you. Okay, we are finally going to go in the plane. This
3-hour plane ride has
taken us 36 hours to get in. This literally cancelled flight, freaking COVID test, 2 COVID tests, twice.
Dubai is on, bro.
Yo, this is amazing.
25p. Being the lovely good brother I am, I stole Aditya's window seat.
We're switching, man.
We are not switching windows.
We are switching.
I tricked you. Aditya, where are we?
In Dubai.
We have made it to Dubai. Aditya and I are finally in Dubai after hours of shit. You saw the vlog, guys. Our flight got cancelled. We had so much freaking drama, but we had to take 3 COVID tests in a span of 10 hours to get here. But we are here now. If you want to see, this is something of Dubai. Okay, so right now Aditya and I are about to go to the grocery store that's like 10 minutes walking distance to get like snacks and like food and general shit. And even though I'm in a foreign country, I'm still wearing the AG fam merch. This merch is not out yet. I told you I was going to be out when I hit 1 million. This is just like a t-shirt for me. The merch is going to be much more designed. We are out in Dubai. So the grocery store is, I think, like 10 minutes, 5 minutes walking distance there. Dude, the cars that I've seen here already. Bro, a freaking Rolls Royce, what the hell? Dude, look at it. The cars, 1 second, before we talk about the Rolls Royce, what the fuck is going on there? Roll the clip of what was just going on. What was that? Bro, I think they broke up, or like I think one of them cheated on the other. Dude, that was some hectic shit, bro. That's like straight out of a Bollywood movie. We just saw, there is such, like I don't know how to explain this. Like there is like a 3-foot long Pringles box. Okay, so I told you I forgot a toothbrush. So right now, first I'm toothbrush shopping over here. I don't know which one I should get. There is, should I get this?
Yeah. It looks good.
It looks really, really nice.
I think it can clean good teeth well. I don't know, but I'm gonna buy this.
This is the good part. The best part about Dubai is, dude, you get all these foreign candies for like very good prices. Take whatever you want. Right now, mom is not with us. She cannot say no.
Mom, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, I love you.
But Aditya, good part is we can buy whatever the hell we want, because neither mom nor dad is here. We're on our own. We can buy whatever the hell we want. Look at this boy. Look at this boy. He's not even interested in what I'm saying. He's already started selecting what he wants. Aditya's already started. Flake is one of my most favorite chocolate. I'm definitely buying Flake, and it's very delicate also. You know, Flake, it like breaks.
Because they're flakes.
Yes, right. Because they're flakes. Thank you, Aditya.
Yeah, that was stupid of me.
This is the main thing. This is the main thing that I love over here. Look at how much we've got. Both of us love Flaming Hot Cheetos, so we got like 4 packets of this in one giant packet.
You want to take this?
Yeah, take whatever you want. Mom's gonna kill me when she watches this. Oh yeah, chips are high. Take, I want. Dude, I'm gonna come back much fatter.
She saw us buying, she just made a face on it.
Which lady?
There was a lady there.
She saw us buying, she made a
You're too loud.
She made a face? What?
And then she made a face and then she walked away. She saw us buying and vlogging. She made a face and then she walked away.
Why?
People hate vloggers.
I'm so respectful.
I'm totally not loud.
Right, Aditya? I'm so soft. I'll stop, Aditya.
Thanks.
Alright guys, it's like 11:30 and we're gonna go off to bed right now. I am extremely tired. I am dying right now
You know
because
we're jet lagged now, not serious jet lag, but like we are Dubai's 1.5 hours behind. So Mumbai.
so technically it's like 1 o'clock over there. I don't care what time it is. I am dying. You slept last night. I didn't sleep last night.
Pick up my choice.
Anyway, thanks so much for watching AgFam. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Wow, I forgot. Yes, make sure to join the AgFam if you aren't already, guys. We're dream chasers. We push each other to become better every single day, and we're not afraid to be different. Dubai day 1, technically this was a major success. I had lots of fun. Tomorrow's day 2. Tomorrow we're gonna go shopping at Dubai Mall, and I will see you then. Okay, chalo.
Bye.
Bye.